Create products that is similar to investors, but is clear to regular people. For example, we can закрыть кредит. Есть такой термин какой-то специфический? To pay off debt. We create a product to pay off the debt. So if you have debts in your bank, you have debts for your taxes, you have debt for any people, you can pay off using our system. For example, you have the debt $10,000. Our offer is you can pay $3,500, and the company will close your debt. You pay off your debt. We pay your debt for 9-10 months. So it is a good opportunity for regular people to pay off their debt using investing instruments, but don't think about investing. The second, for our partners, it is an easy way to come to their friends, to come to their partners and say about this business, because not everyone wants to invest. Investment is interesting for those who have some investitions, but paying off the debt is a product for the regular people. So we use investing instruments to create this product. So $10,000 can be paid off with the sum of $3,500, and it's enough. You don't pay anything. You pay only $3,500, and during 9-10 months the debt will be paid off. Полностью. Pay off? Repaid? Will be paid off полностью. Fully. Every 10,000. So during this product it will be 9-10 months. По сколько получается? По 1050, да? 3,5? 105. We will pay it 9-10 times $1,000, $50, and pay off your debt. It is the product. Okay, its name, the strange letters, ZFZ. It is named in Russia, so we use these letters, ZFZ 35. So it is 35% of this summary debt. The next product is, when we create this first product, remember, first of all, we know how to earn money. Then we create a product for regular people, so we can think about regular people further and create next product. It's called automobile, it's called flat, it's called your house, it's called, in Russian, it's called KV 35. So we use the 35% is imagine that you want to buy a house, imagine that you want to buy a car. This car, the price of this car is $2,000. $20,000. So the offer of the company, the offer of the system, the Finiko.com is, посчитайте быстренько, сколько? 35%. 7? 7 тысяч? You paid to the system $7,000. You wait 120 days, And after this time, you achieved $20,000. It's all. It's very simple product. It works, I repeat, $7,000 if you want to buy a car. So imagine you want to buy a car. The summary of it, the price $20,000. This is an example. You will pay the 7,000 and forget about this. And after 120 days, you achieved the car with the price of 20. You achieved the money 20,000 on your электронный кабинет персональный. Электронный кабинет. On your personal account, you take this money and buy your car. So it is the simple product. The similar is for buying a flat, house, maybe как земля, кусок земли, недвижимость, real estate. You can buy any type of real estate with this scheme. So if your real estate, maybe it is a house, the price of it is $100,000. You will pay $35,000. You will wait 120 days, and you'll take this money on your personal account and use it for buying your house.